Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA jong ka South Shillong constituency uba Sanbor Shulai hakaskisa jan jong ka tayo ulayo aban play ka Ïingbuilding uba Thymmai jong ka working women's hostel com auditorium hakasnong Rilbong Shillong hakajingilang ka ba ipo iping badru ka ba Shongkun. Hagani ka sni play ka Ïingbuilding ba Thymmai bala pensiona lingba ka scheme under special plan fund jong usnem arajar Pynïoh jong ka tenat social welfare kabala kot hado sauklor san polak tam ha kabale don langru u ai ingti ubade secretary jong ka tenat social welfare lembat ki officer ki nongelam nyam ka balang ki nongelam ka BJP South Shillong constituency but kiwei kani ka Ïingbuilding kadai ka badan hado lai mala ka don ru ka lift nangta ka kamera ban penlong ye ki jingelang bat kiwei ki kamera nelor ka auditorium hall upa Sanbor ba ajing kren hagani ka sngi ula penpau ya ka jingkemen baru la ongru ba ka jingla ban Pynïoh ya gani ka Ïingbuilding kala long shisha ka jing mentoy ka bakrau ya gani ka snong namar haki por ki balalej kani ka jaka ha ka ba kani ka building kala yeng kala de ka jaka jong ki kam sneo bat kalong ka jaka ka bamsingai satia ya ki pat ba nong lej nong wan Henry mentapat lala ban penlong ka jing mentoy ka bakrau ya ki babon balang
Bedroom for the
dining. This is the room for
providing where the car on over here the car like is that area
we used to take part, we used to swim inside. As a person who was born and grown up in Laban, in the year 1982, we have shifted to New Kansas Street. During those days, actually, originally this land belonged to the Revenue Department, government of the land. And for a few years, you remember, as reported by Honorable Rambash of Hetman Baglan Ïingbuilding, the Forest Department temporarily they have leased this land from the Revenue Department for running the children's park. You remember? After that, I remember when I was in college days, the children's park has been abolished, and all the children have been stolen one after another. Then after what happened, sometime when we come to this area, we used to file a complaint also to the police. It has become a dance of anti-social elements. And few beggars, few people also they have constructed a shed. Every evening they will come and sleep here. And this drug peddlers, this drugs addict also they used to come here because it has become a dance, a safety place for them to drink, to inject drugs, and to do all these anti-social activities. Luckily, the police station is near here. The police house is just adjacent to this auditorium working women hostel. So when I was MLA of the 1022nd Laban Mopram constituency, I used to suggest, since the time when I was MDC, I used to suggest the locality of this area. That see, as an MDC, I don't have a capacity, but you people, you are MLA, at least move the proposal to the government. But nobody has taken initiative. It is lying like the same thing. This Bishnupur market now converted, name has been renamed to Lumchats. That was also the revenue land, which falls under the 21 Mopram constituency. I was representing the then 22nd Laban presidency. And this entire Bishnupur, Kenche Space, Lumchatsni, Rilbong, Oxford, it falls under 21 Mogram constituency. Luckily, with the blessing of God, the delimitation took place in 2013. And the election department, they have abolished the 21 Mogram and the 22nd Laban, they have clapped it under 19 South China constituency. And during 2013, we have two fight election, sitting MLA versus sitting MLA, very tough fight. And that also without money, only with the love and trust that the people of 19 South Shillong constituency, they repose faith and confident in me, I defeated the Congress with a small margin, that is with the margin of 1,771 votes. And I'm very thankful to the wisdom of the people of 19 South Shillong. In the last election, when the voice of the people comes to me, who have suggested me to join the PGP, I joined the PGP and I have again defeated the Congress with a big margin of more than 7,000 votes. And after that, when I have become the MLA of this area, I have started at my personal level. When the land has been allotted by the revenue department, even the social welfare also, they are not aware, they don't know anything. I walk like a submarine into the rain. Then I sent this proposal from my level to DC. I follow up from the DC because my friend from the revenue department, who are from the revenue department from DC office, they are very close. So they come with me, DC sent them, the officer, the land officer and other officers, we came there. I remember this land was also applied by the Kansas State's Oxford, Kansas State's Rilbong Welfare Society. But when we have my friend from the revenue department informed me, Sanbor, why don't you file an objection? So I called the local Sengsapla, that time I was MDC. So we filed an objection that this land should go to the local, to utilize in the name of the local organization or the government. And after that, they have sent to the government from the DC office after completion all the requirement formalities, so they have forwarded to the government for approval. Thank you to Dr. R.C. Lalu, the then Revenue Minister, because he is my relative, he is my uncle. So when the file reached his table, that time I was deputy secretary. Reached his table, then I went to meet him. I said, sir, we have to get approval from the full cabinet bench. Yeah, what? See, Dr. R.C. Lalu is such a wise man, intellectual. He said, why should we send the approval to the full-fledged cabinet? I am the cabinet minister, then and there, you are my relative. Because the birthplace of my mother, Longkuriang, Yongpia, Chiliangla, Dulong, Panalian, these are the stronghold of Dr. R.C. Lalu, because the Shulai and Dalalu are the strong supporter of Dr. R.C. Lalu. Then and there he took the file, he gave me a cup of tea and he approved it. No need, go. Then we signed the release agreement. When I informed the director for release agreement. He's shocked. How? We don't know. We don't have any record in the office. I said, I have done it. Don't worry. Then all this political propaganda, did it happen? Did Sanbor board your church? Did Sanbor disallow you to eat beef? Constitution of India says you are free. You have the liberty to eat even snakes. No, there is no restriction. There is no law to prevent you from eating any beef, even snake or insect. Like in Bangkok, I remember our. I'm the first MLA who have given grant 25,000 each to our local youth to open beef shop for 50 shops. And during Christmas or Puja or Muharram or Eid in the constituency of Sanbor, all faith and religion you can enjoy your festival. Be it Christmas, be it Puja, be it Chak Puja, be it Muharram, be it Diwali, Durga Puja, you can enjoy peacefully 24 hours, nobody can touch you. One of the peaceful constituency in Meghalaya. So my brother and sister, at the end of the day, during election, those people, 2 months before election, they will come to you, that they will provide you this, that, they will give you everything. You people also, sometimes what I have observed, you enjoy going 2 months before election, these people, they will come, they will give you bus. They will dance in the bus, picnic, aqualand. And at the end of the day, after the election, whom do you knock the door? To whom you used to knock the door 24 hours? Those people who used to come during election, 2 months before election, after election, it disappeared. I'm very thankful to the wisdom of God who has blessed us, and who has blessed me, means bless you, who have given me the power, who have given me the wisdom to get the scheme. To propose a scheme, 5 minutes, you sit at home, we want community hall, at so and so and so. But to get it, it's not matter of two. I have to run pillar to post. I have to go partially at my level to get it sanctioned, to get it done. So before I wind up my